Hello, welcome. Today we are in another part of Mexico. We are in Querétaro. This town is called Bernal and we have this amazing view. And right here I'm going to show you how you can make this beautiful set. But today I'm going to show you the first part of this set. I will show you the step by step of how you can make the skirt, and in the coming video I will show you how you can make the top. Well, let's don't lose more time. I will give you the material list. Well, I will combine two different colors. Of each color, I will use 200 grams, okay? So I will use 200 grams of pink and 200 grams of light blue, right? As you could see, it's a light material, it's a number 3. I will use this brand, and I will use the hook of number 3.5. Well, let's start. Well, we will start making a long strip of granny's square that goes all around your hip or waist according how you want. I will show you how you can make the granny's square. We will start with 4 chains, 2, 3, and 4. We will close in circle like this, slip in 1. I made only 4 chains to have the circle more close, okay? Well, then we will go up with 1, 2, 3 chains, and inside the ring we are going to make 2 double crochet more, so we will have 3 with the chains that we made at the beginning, right? And the sequence will go like this, okay? We are going to make 3 double crochet, 2 chains, again 3 double crochet, 2 chains, until we have 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We will finish making 2 chains, right? So we are going to close a slip in 1, and now we are going to slip 1 until the next space, until here. Right here we are going to change color. So right away we are going to start the row with this pink. Here in the back I'm going to make a knot, okay? And now we will go up with 3 chains, and again we are going to make this sequence, okay? In the corner always we are going to make 3 double crochets and 2 chains, and again in the same corner 3 double crochet, okay? So we are going to make the corners double. So I will show you. Let's make a review. So while we make this, we are going to take also this thread and we are going to crochet over it so we can hide it, okay? So between these 2 sections we are going to make 2 chains, and to go to one corner to another we are going to make 1 chain, and then in the next corner we will repeat. Well, at the end of the row we are going to slip to arrive to the first corner, and now as you could see I didn't cut the last thread in blue. So right here I'm going to take the thread behind and I'm going to take it and I will change color again. I will pull the pink thread, and now I'm going to make the next row. I'm going to cut because as you could see I'm just going to continue in the coming rows with the blue. So I will go up with 3 chains, and now here in the corner again I'm going to make it double. Always in the corners I will make them double. So it will go like this: 1 double, 1 single, 1 double, 1 single. Between, in the corners, 2 chains, and in the rest 1 chain between. At the end of the row we will have something like this, and we will start making all around a row of half double crochet. I'm going to make this for a girl 15 years old, so it will be in small size. So if you want this for a bigger size, you can make the squares bigger, okay? And of course you will need to make more squares that goes all around your hip or waist. I already measured my niece, and she only needs 5 squares for the front and 5 squares for the back, okay? Now I'm going to show you how you can join them. But remember, this is a small size. At the end I made 10, okay? So I'm going to show you how we are going to join them. But before, remember at the end, we are going to make a half double crochet row. So we are going to make 3 half double crochet inside, and then we are going to make a stitch over a stitch. Like this, we are going to make the half double crochet. Then here in the space where we'll make 1 chain, only 1 half double crochet, here 1, then we are going to crochet over crochet, and here in the corner we are going to make 3 half double crochet so we don't lose the shape. But look, while we are about to make this corner, we are going to insert the hook and we are going to join them. We are just going to make just the half, and then we are going to continue finishing the half double crochet of the corner. And then again, when we are about to arrive to the next space, we are going to make just the half, and we are going to take the other side of the last square. We are going to insert our hook, slip 1, and then we are going to continue the rest. And again, it will be the same in the next space, just a half. We are going to take 1 stitch from the other side of the square, sorry, and we are going to make the rest. Well, we are going to make the rest. We are going to continue making half double crochet all around, and this is how we are going to join. If you want, you can sew too, but well, to me this is the easiest way, and I think it looks better because you blend the stitch, right? So then we are going to continue. We are going to complete the square, and like this is my last square, well, we are going to join the first with the last in the wrong side, okay? So this will be the bottom of our skirt, sorry, and I will show you how you can make the rest. Wait for it. Well, for the rest of the skirt, we are going to make an easy stitch. If you're learning how to crochet, well, this break is perfect, sorry. So we will go up with 3 chains, and in each stitch we are going to make 1 double crochet, then 1 chain, we will skip 1, and again 3 double crochet, 1 in each stitch. So here we have 3, then 1 chain, we will skip 1, and in the next again. So like this we are going to continue all around the skirt. Well, at the end of the row, we are going to slip 1 to close. We are going to slip 1 until the next space, and right here we are going to change color. Now we are going to use the light pink again, and like this we will go up with 3 chains, and we will continue making the stitch. So now here in this space, well, but before, let's make a knot, okay? Here in the back. And then we can continue. So we will go up with 3 chains, and now we are going to, while we make the stitch, we are going to hide the thread in the back. So right here in this space we are going to make 3 and then 1 chain, and again 3 double crochet, all of them in the space, then 1 chain, in the next space 3 double crochet, and then 1 chain, and like this the whole row. And we are going to alternate colors, okay? We will continue with the same stitch. Well, as you could see, I alternate colors 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I continue with the rest in one color in blue, and I made at the end 21 rows. I think are enough for the size and for my knees. And also take into account that this is a mini skirt, okay? This is for the beach, so that's why I'm going to make it shorter. So I have 28 centimeters, okay? So you can take it as a reference. Here in the top I will make more rows in pink so I can give it a final touch. And well, then at the end here in the bottom we are just going to make the crab stitch, so we can make something simple to finish. And well, but I will show you. Well, here to finish we are going to make the last rows. We are going to cut. Now we are going to continue with the light pink. So right here we are going to make a knot. Where is my thread? Okay, so I'm going to make a knot, and then I'm going to make the last rows. I'm going to make a strip 2 to put a bottom there. So we are going to start in the corner. So we will start making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 chains, and now here we are going to come back in these 6 chains making single crochet. If you want, you can make this strip longer so you can adjust better the waist or the hip, but you will decide. To me, I think with 6 chains are enough. Well, we are going to continue making single crochet row all around, okay? If you want, in this step, you can reduce a little bit if you feel that you make the skirt too wide. So you can reduce a bit, skipping some spaces, but before you make this, it's important that you try on the person, okay? Then you are going to continue making the single crochet row, and when you arrive here, don't close, okay? You are going to continue turning the skirt so you can leave this space open. So remember, it's very important that you leave this side open, okay? And so you are going to turn around and start the next row, and like this we are going to make single crochet row until we have this width. And remember, we are going to make a stitch over a stitch, but here where we have this space we won't, okay? Because if not, we will increase instead of reducing. Just let's respect the stitches that we have. Look, at the end I made 3 rows with single crochet. Here I put a button, here is the strip that I made, and then here in the bottom I make a crab stitch row. I also respect the stitches, and then I iron with a protection under, very soft. Well, I hope that you have enjoyed making this set with me, with this view and in this beautiful place. Remember that this was the first part, and in the coming video I will show you how you can make the second part. I will show you how you can make the top, this bra, okay? So don't forget to give me a like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow me in all the social media. Please stay tuned for the second part, okay? And so you have homework, please make the skirt and see you to make the second part, okay? Take care and enjoy. Bye.